Using computing power to generate digital cash is one of the most exciting inventions of the modern age, and it's no wonder why so many people have flocked towards blockchain mining. Yet this evolution is happening at a cost. Cryptocurrency networks consume more electricity than entire countries do, and a lot of this power comes from dirty sources like coal and diesel. There is one thing that helps keep this consumption in check: the fact that it's really hard to get started with blockchain mining, unless you're amazing with computers.
Mining is all about solving complex arithmetical problems through computing power. The miner that ultimately solves the equation is rewarded with a coin payout. Due to the difficulty of the calculations, a whole network of computers, so-called miners, is needed. As multiple miners are involved, the coins are distributed to all miners relative to their performance. The transactions of cryptocurrencies are not backed by financial institutes, but rather by the computation power of the miners. Therefore, solving the equations ensures that crypto transactions are processed, while simultaneously allowing the whole crypto system to track which user possesses which coins.
Head over to yesinfo.org to learn more about cryptocurrencies.